how it kills me a little more each time you speak. Don't tell me to be grateful. It's not death, but it's still painful. If your words were bullets, me and my friends and all of your kin, all of us would be goners. If your words were bullets, we would be dead and you would be king, and all would be how you want it. You scream my ear when I'm talking, so I grow in silence, but I still dream of conversation like you're really listening.